Welcome to SMDC. Are you ready to experience hassle-free sales processing? Our streamlined systems and expert support team will handle all the details, leaving you free to focus on what you do best, closing deals and driving results. Here are the steps to get started. Step 1. Navigate to www.portalsmdc.com. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Client Registration Form. Step 3. Ask our SMDC specialist and/or staff to create a group chat and provide them with the reference and unit number. Step 4. Either upload the requirements or send them to us later. Read the reservation agreement and click Submit. Step 5. Your information will be emailed to you, so check for errors. The reservation agreement will be emailed to you. Step 6. Your booking confirmation, client portal access, and final payment schedule will arrive in a few days. Step 7. We'll mail a contract to sell, CTS, to your address after your unit reservation is confirmed via email. Return it to the head office after consularizing or notarizing. Step 8. You and your client can track transactions separately using web portals until loan takeout or unit turnover. Congratulations to both of you, seller and buyer. Don't forget to register at www.portalsmd.com/register to attend our regular weekly live Q&A and updates.